G'day, how's it going? I'm Lester, TFR out of Gore. We're in a paddock today and we're going to have a wee dig around. There's a bit of grass scrub, as you can see just down here. So we'll go and dig a hole and see what's in it. Well, we've got a worm, so that's the start. Actually, the ground looks as though it's had a bit of water on it, but it's quite free. Oh, here's our enemy. Look at that, just sitting there for us. He's quite curled up, so he's quite inactive. You can see that? See how tightly he's wound up? He's not wanting to move. So he's probably done all the damage he's going to do it for now. So as we look at the wall here, there's always a good way to see whether or not you've got compaction in that. A wee bit of clay come up through the ground. There's no sign of rust or anything like that on where the water's sort of stuck and got in trapped underneath. Here's a good sign. Roots have gone well down. And there's a reasonable amount of worm activity, so that's looking pretty jolly good. We break this open and see whether or not, oh, look at that. Sitting right there too. That one's right at the surface. So still potentially could be eating. So I wouldn't suggest that this needs aerated before any regrassing goes on there. Earlier on in the season, if I'd seen that many grass scrub, I'd have been spraying to take them out, unless you had identified the paddock as being quite old and needing to be regenerated. So if this was a 3-year-old paddock, you'd definitely have sprayed for the grass scrub. But knowing that this paddock's going to be re-sown, the paddock really wants worked up. Let nature do some of the job. Yeah, look at that. We've got 9 grass scrub in that one wee square, so it's a problem.